Welcome to our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community. There was another section down here. If you happen to have a membership, you can have a section for your favorite members. And these are all the options of these sections you can have, from channel trailers, which you see, and all the videos, popular videos, live videos, members only videos, or member recognition. So if somebody joined your membership, it would have to be a YouTube specific membership, which YouTube allows for memberships. It would have to be their membership. And then because of that, that section becomes available and you can start highlighting your new members. Okay, there's your playlists, your subscriptions. So this is a really important thing. Your subscriptions, when you go and you watch somebody's videos and you say, oh, I like this. This is what I want to be subscribed to, right? If you subscribe to something and you have a section that says subscriptions, people are going to see it. Maybe you're a gamer or something and you don't want that showing to your business people or whatever it is. Don't put up a section that is for your subscriptions. Just a recommendation. I have a section for products because I have a merchandise store. You have to have, I think it's 500 or maybe 1,000 subscribers in order to get that. Once you do, you can go onto YouTube and show your products, which I will show you. But just so you know, that's the section that you'll also get to have on your homepage. Thank you for watching our free YouTube Creator Training Library brought to you by the Senior Tuber community.